What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about Mullen Automotive. Once again, that's Mullen Automotive with the ticker symbol MULN. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the recent article or recent news regarding Mullen Automotive. And also, we're going to take a look on what people are thinking regarding Mullen Automotive. Welcome to the weekend edition of Mullen Automotive. Guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, Mullen last Friday closed at a price of $1.32. It's down 2.94%, but it's slightly up 0.76% in the after hours at the price of $1.33. Now, if you go to MarketBeat, we can clearly see, guys, that the price of Mullen Automotive is down 5.04% for a 5-day performance. In a 1-month performance, it's down negative 56.44%, and a 3 months performance of negative 53.52%. In a year-to-date performance, it's down negative 74.76%. So basically, guys, this stock is currently red across the board. But like I said, guys, of course, like everyone else, I'm very bullish in the stock, and I'm here to help support the group. Now, in the SEC filing, there's no current SEC filing for Mullen Automotive. Now, this is a recent article from Investor Place, ladies and gentlemen. It says here, Mullen Automotive is the only rationally valued EV maker. In this article, we have 3 bullet points saying that Mullen Automotive is short interest is falling. The EV maker is finally adjusting to a world that isn't driven by SPACs or meme stocks. Valuations on some of the top names is still outrageous given bigger players entering the market. If you read on to this article, it says it makes perfect sense that Mullen Automotive stock has a collection of proponents and detractors that's healthy, and so it's a meager $400 million market cap. So even though it's a $400 million market cap, guys, the article is saying that it's healthy, that it has a lot of supporters and detractors, stuff like that. So the fact is, it's a speculation stock, just like most of the other electric vehicle makers out there. And this fascination in electric vehicles goes all the way back to the roots of auto industry over 100 years ago. So basically, his point is that there is always fascinations in trends that seems to bubble up every century or so. It's long enough for everyone living to forget what happened back then, and in the society where progress is the name of the game, history is always stuck on the roof rack. Also, in this article, it says many people still know little about Mullen stock or the company it represents, but the fact is the company has a decent strategy and is making the right steps to build out a line of electric cars and delivery vans. It didn't roll out in a SPAC and meme-fueled wave that hit during and after the pandemic. That means it isn't trading at some exorbitant valuation that's entirely unrealistic. When Tesla trades at a market cap of more than $1 trillion without selling 1 million cars in a year yet, something is out of kilter. The market's fascination with the billionaire maverick CEO Elon Musk is a majority of the reason the stock is priced so wildly. It's the story, not the company. So guys, same as Mullen, right? This company itself has its own story, and it's one of those things that people like, that people are so fascinated with, right? It's an underdog, and like I said before, this company is not going anywhere. So it will stay there, it will thrive, and it will survive in the EV industry. Going on, rising competition by major automakers with well-established service and sales channels, as well as global parts inventories and distribution, is here now. And while US press made hay over Chinese leading EV maker NIO having to shut down production, little was said that Tesla also shut down its Chinese facility for most of March as well. And when China decides it's in the country's best interest to support Chinese brands, Tesla's China operations will come under stress. So even David Misher, guys, he made a stress in one of his statements that Mullen is a US company. It will give more jobs to US people, to people across United States. So moreover, the simple fact is there are plenty of EV makers to choose from now. The real question is whether you want to take measured risk or blind risk in the EV sector. A measured risk is buying a company that has a simple platform with realistic goals and some diversification. A blind risk is buying the coolest, hottest name out there so you can tell your friends you're a rebel too. Certainly, Tesla and other EV investors have made money, but we're investing now, not then. So last month, David Mishery said that it's landing a major Fortune 500 company as a client and will announce in Q2. Real customers are good things, and with the stock trading 74% down year to date, it has more upside than downside. Amen? Amen. Alright, so guys, like I said, I'm entering this trade, right, for the fact that this is a US company, and David Michery said that the job stays in US. They will actually produce their own battery. They have their own automobile factory. So I think for a fact that, yeah, once again, this specific company will definitely survive on its own, and it will thrive, and this will gain popularity and among retail investors and institutional investors alike. So yeah, once again, Mullen is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. Now guys, second part of this video is we want to know what people are actually thinking regarding Mullen over the weekends. Of course, we want to know their tweets, right? So one of them is from AKB. Officially, AKB tweeted this: Mullen is the third most held stock by retail after AMC and Tesla. So we will try to check that with Fintel.io. So once again guys, we are now here in Fintel.io, and as you can see, if you search Fintel.io, Mullen Automotive is number 7. Is one of the it says here the Fintel retail ownership shows that the most popular securities held by Fintel users that have linked their broker accounts. This list is based on the actual ownership records from broker accounts, so you can find the list here. And number 7, ladies and gentlemen, is Mullen Automotive Incorporated. Also, we got a tweet from Cole Clay Trading. So if we go here in the website of Mullen USA, you can clearly see guys that the website is currently updated. If you scroll down, you can see here 5 pure SUV crossover, right? So if you want to reserve now, you can get your reservation now. Also, you can also see here the Mullen Lodge Point. Experience premium automotive retail that fits into your everyday life. Imagine what's possible. Okay, so I think that's the quote, okay, from David Michery. Investing. Mullen is a Southern California-based automotive company that owns and partners with several synergistic businesses working toward the unified goal of creating clean and scalable energy solutions and electric vehicles. We are now a publicly traded company as of November 5th, 2021. Just click on there for more information. Now guys, if you click on Reddit, this was posted 2 hours ago. This is from Train. The potential Fortune 500 company. This is not an insider info and not an advice. He was saying that I have a relative who works for a Fortune 500 telecom. We both invest, but this relative does not hold Mullen. Okay, so we talk about this stuff often. So anyway, we were talking about Mullen last night, and I asked who the F500 company could be. We bounced the usual names back and forth. Then this relative said, could be AT&T, site service, cell towers, one sites is a thing. We have a fleet of EV vans we use for that exact thing. Maybe AT&T is looking to do the same thing. So guys, like I said, you cannot avoid people speculating. So they're now saying that it could be AT&T. Could it be AT&T? We don't know. Okay, so guys, if you have any more information, just like I said, just put them in the comment section below and we'll try to check on that. So guys, there's a lot of information here in Reddit, and I'm so happy to see people actually posting their research, their DD out here in Reddit. So I'm yeah, like I said, I'm very happy to see people actually interacting, giving their attention to Mullen, right? Although there's not a lot of news, there's no news, there's no press release. So like I said, hopefully we will get something good this coming May. They're saying that, yeah, there's a lot of companies that is in a Fortune 500, so one of them could be any of these ones. So yeah, you guys can go to Reddit and check what they were saying, and they were saying exactly the same thing. May will be a very good month. So thanks to Reddit user Salvanus NWN for saying that. Also guys, I'd like to thank Chacha for the compilation of all the DDs regarding Mullen. So if you go to her Twitter page, you can actually click on the link in the Twitter page in the Google Docs. If you go here, if you come here, you can actually see all the DDs made for Mullen. So all you have to do is to copy and paste it in your browser, and you can actually see all these articles. Thank you very much, Chacha, for that one. And also, Facebook user Sean Michaels just said here that just got some huge news. I'm in a space call. The order for the vans are bought and paid for, all 29,000 of them. That will be very positive news for the Q2 earnings report. This was confirmed by Sarah, who spoke with David prior. So this is the Twitter page of Sarah, relentless_8. Guys, if you want to go ahead and double check that, because me personally, right? So she said here she signed an NDA. Non-disclosure agreement with Mullen, so she cannot give additional information regarding that, but definitely guys, some good news for all of you. So that's just a teaser for the upcoming May. Hopefully we can get the information, guys. Like I said before, you cannot avoid people having all these kinds of assumptions, right? They'll try to make their own DD, but definitely guys, we'll try to check this out. Once again, this is from the Mullen Stock Group Facebook page, according to Sean Michaels, one of the admin there. Thank you very much. Like I said, people are very, very excited. In the next trading days, this coming May, hopefully we will see some green this coming May. Like I said before, okay, if anything comes up, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So for the technical analysis of Mullen, as you can see here guys, we have a volume last Friday of 34.42 million, although we have an average volume of 134.97 million in the past 3 months. So we're kind of low on that. So hopefully we can see more people piling up in the next trading day. As you can see, your MACD is starting to curl up again, and hopefully we can see some positive price action this coming week, this coming Monday specifically. And also we have now created a support. It looks like we now have a demand zone at around this area, 1.28, 1.24 up to 1.32. So I'm confident that hopefully guys, we will no longer trend downwards. Okay, so this is your daily time frame. If we try to break it down, that the red candle down in a 4-hour time frame, we have one green candle and a one red candle. So like I said earlier, so we now have created a huge support in this area, and if we go down a little bit more, we have another support at around this area, at around $1. So if we go down there, please keep an eye on that, because people will start loading up more Mullen shares in that specific area. Now our next very, very huge resistance will be around this area at around $2.21. That's a huge resistance for all of us. A temporary resistance at around $1.77. So guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis I have provided to you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.